Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today I'm going to look at online shopping in China with JD.com. Let's check it out. One of the biggest online retailers is JD.com. Unlike Taobao, where you have many people setting up their own shop with a couple of verified users and official accounts thrown in there, mostly on the Tmall section, JD.com is wholly verified sellers. And so generally it's considered a quite trusted online retailer in China. Now, the actual website is all in Chinese, but there are pictures that you can use to kind of navigate around. But what I'd actually recommend is to use a browser that's got an inbuilt translation feature like Google Chrome, and then you can have all the text, apart from the text in pictures, which it can't translate, but it will have all the text that's actually on the website translated into English. So let's switch over to Google Chrome and the translated page. And there you go. Because the categories are in simple characters, there's nothing much there, you're not like reading a novel or anything like that, the computer's able to really pick up and actually correctly translate a lot of the Chinese on the website. So JD is used by many people here, expats and Chinese people alike, for electronics. It's quite well known for people buying electronics on there. So what I'm going to do is have a look at, say, buying a notebook. So you can look for all the different brands, Chinese brands, foreign brands. Generally foreign brands will actually be a little bit more expensive, and all the sort of requirements and specifications that you want of your computer. And then you can look through. What I like about JD.com is that it gives you so much information about the actual products that they're selling. Like everything that you can imagine, they'll cover, so you've got a complete idea of what it looks like, how it's going to operate, etc. And I find a lot of things on here as well, and in many Chinese stores, is you get so many options for how you want to customize your products. And I find that much more different to the West, where generally you have more a limited selection. Here it's, you know, do you want to put this in? Do you want to put that in? Do you want to expand your memory? Do you want to add this, blah, blah, blah. So I think that's a great idea, but it can be a little bit overwhelming. But once you kind of get the hang of it, it's okay. So once you finish shopping, add to your shopping cart, you're going to have to sign in. To sign in, you're going to need a QQ account, a WeChat account, or a Chinese phone number to be able to actually do that. You can purchase your items with WeChat Pay, with Alipay, and with Union Pay that are all popular here in China. You just have to make sure that you include your Chinese phone number for delivery along with your address in Chinese characters. If you're not sure how to do that, check your mail and see if you can copy that over or get a Chinese friend to help you. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video about JD.com and you found it informative and entertaining. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Bye bye.